Let's talk about state space control. State space control is a control approach where the system behavior is described using a unified linear set of state equations expressed in a matrix form. It represents a dynamic physical system using a mathematical model that is linear and time invariant, referred to as state space representation. As opposed to the complex structure of PID controllers, state space controllers' linear properties make them suitable for cases where multiple inputs and multiple outputs are involved. The state space representation typically entails two sets of equations with four state matrices: state matrix A, input matrix B, output matrix C, and feed-forward matrix D. The advantage of a state space control include unified representation, multivariable system, as well as ease of analysis. Some of the common applications of a state space control are robotics, communication systems, and aerospace systems. And that's what state space control is.